So I don't typically wash my hair in braids, but if I did, this is how I would do it to keep my scalp clean and reduce frizz. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, it's your girl, Ginger, of course. Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to wash your hair while in braids and reduce frizz in the process. We want to clean our scalp but not create unnecessary frizz, not ruin our style. You want to wash your scalp if you are going to keep your protective style in for a long period of time. A clean scalp is a great environment for your hair to grow in and also reduce product buildup when you take down your braids. We don't want to deal with breakage. We don't want to deal with product buildup. We don't want to deal with matted hair when we take down our braids. So I'm going to show you exactly how I wash my hair to reduce all of that and also reduce frizz in the process. The point of washing your hair in braids is to clean your scalp. Like I said earlier, this will encourage healthy hair growth, but also reduce product buildup. This will come in handy when you take down your braids and you won't have to deal with that white, gunky stuff at your roots. Girl, that's product buildup. And it's a variety of things, you know. It could be products that you're putting on your scalp, oils, your own sebum, dirt, just all of that mixed in creates that white gunky stuff, and your hair can be more matted as a result. If you're like me and you like to oil your scalp from time to time, I mean, we all like a little oil massage. Then it'll come in handy so you remove all of that oil and you have a nice clean environment for your hair to grow or for you to add more products. Plus, we all like that clean feeling. I don't know if it's me, but it's kind of like a mental thing for me. So the reason why I'm actually washing my hair, like I said at the beginning, I typically don't wash my hair when I have it in braids, but I am actually going to keep these braids in longer than I usually do. So typically I leave my braids in for a month, but this time around I am going in for the long haul, girl. I'm leaving her in for about a month and a half, so I will wash my hair today and take out my hair in 2 weeks. So it's kind of like a mental thing. I want to make sure that my hair is clean, that my scalp is clean, so this is why I'm washing it. So grab your favorite shampoo and I'll meet you in the shower. The shampoo that I'm going to be using today is by Melanin Hair Care. It's an African black soap shampoo. It's a clarifying shampoo. It's filled with nutrients such as cocoa and shea butter, and also have some healing oils such as argan, tea tree oil, black cumin, rosemary, peppermint. Overall, this is a great shampoo that's designed to thoroughly clean your hair and scalp without stripping away your natural oils. I also like the fact that this has a nozzle, which will come in handy in the shower. This is my hair. It's been a month since I've gotten it braided, so I do have a fair amount of new growth. But I also re-braided the very front of my hair, so it doesn't look too bad. It's not too messy. But we're going to wash our scalp. First thing first, of course, let the water run through your hair. Make sure you're getting your scalp and your hair wet. Mind you, while we're doing this, we are going to take advantage of the fact that water is the #1 moisturizer, and we're going to also moisturize our hair. I like to squeeze the water in my hair so that I make sure that my hair under the braids is actually getting nice and wet. This is where the nozzle comes in handy. Go ahead and use it to distribute the product all over your scalp. And then gently massage the product on your scalp. Really just focus on your scalp, just because this is the area where we really want to get clean. That's where we have product buildup that we are concerned with and we want to get rid of. You don't need to go and massage your entire strands because that's just going to cause frizz. But if you just focus on your scalp, it's going to reduce the amount of frizz that is going to get created by the washing process. When you're rinsing your hair, make sure to squeeze the shampoo all throughout your actual braids, and that's how the rest of your hair is going to get clean. This is optional, but I like to give my hair a second wash just to make sure that everything is quick and clean. If I do have braids, I don't typically shampoo, but if I am going to shampoo, I like to make sure that it's done thoroughly. Now that I'm done washing my hair, I'm going to spend some time moisturizing and also taking care of my scalp. I have a video on how I do both of these things, but while I have you here, girl, I'm gonna show you what I do. I also let my hair chill in this towel to absorb all of the excess water while I do my skincare, moisturize my body, got dressed. I mean, we didn't really get dressed, we just tossed on this sweater. But anyway. My hair feels so fresh. I love it. Love that feeling for me. First thing first, moisturizing. And I am focusing on my hair at this point, okay? So the washing part was to clean my scalp, and this is to moisturize my hair. And by moisturizing, I mean sealing in the water. My water bottle has a leave-in conditioner, water, and oil. So all of that is meant to seal in the moisture, and I'm not going to do too much. I'm just trying to find my ends and squeeze some of the leave-in conditioner, oil, water concoction. I don't need to do the most because, you know, water is the #1 moisturizer, so it is technically moisturizing my hair, but at this point I just want to seal the moisture in. I'm not going on my scalp because that's just going to cause product buildup, and there is no reason for that. Once that is in, I'm using my aloe vera spritz all over my scalp. Now this is supposed to help with dandruff, promote hair growth, nourish my follicles, prevent hair thinning, and all of that. So this is a really good spritz for your scalp, and I use it all the time, especially while my hair is braided, to prevent dandruff and, you know, grow my hair while I'm at it. And then we're gonna follow up with the hair oil elixir. So this is mainly for my edges. I really want to spend some time massaging them to make sure that I am encouraging hair growth. But I'm also going to drag it a little bit all over my hair. I don't oil my scalp as often as I used to anymore because honestly, it's just causing product buildup. But I do go around when I'm braided up like this just to prevent my scalp from drying out. And this oil also encourages hair growth, so, you know, why not? Take the time to give yourself a nice scalp massage because it feels good, it encourages hair growth, it wakes up your follicles, and you deserve it. Alright, so the key to reducing frizz when you wash your braids is to use a mousse. You can use one with a strong hold, you can use one with a lighter hold. But the one that I'm using today is by Herbal Essences. It has a medium hold. But truth be told, you should use the one that you have stashed away right now. If you have a bunch of products in your hair care pile, use it. Don't waste products. Use what you have. It smells really good as well. Immediately after all of this, go ahead and tie your hair down and let it dry. Now you have a clean scalp, moisturized hair, and you feel good. And this is how you can easily wash your hair while you have it braided. Note how I take great care to not move my hair around too much in the shower. I squeeze the water in versus rubbing my strands. That will cause more frizz, and of course we don't want that. This is my hair after I've washed it. My hair is literally a month and a week old and she still looks so good. I washed my hair and I don't have a lot of frizz all throughout the braids. Of course, I went ahead and did my baby hairs today because you know. I can leave her for another 2 weeks easily and not have to deal with, you know, my hair looking extra bucket. Just because I'm home does not mean I have to look all kind of crazy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Give me a thumbs up on your way out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.